My name is Chrissy Cox. I had a neck lift, a lower facelift, and fat grafting to my cheeks. I was referred to Dr. Amaka by a friend of mine who's a nurse practitioner. I knew that Dr. Amaka was a surgeon for me after my first pre-op visit. She made me feel much more comfortable about the procedure. I was confident that she understood what I needed, what kind of results I was looking for. The staff was very professional, but I didn't have any worries at all when I left my pre-op appointment. I knew what was going to happen. I knew when it was going to happen. I knew what my recovery was going to be like. Everything that she described to me, it worked out that way and better. I'm very happy with my results. So the reason why I wanted to have this done, or reasons why I wanted to have this done, I was getting to a point, I'm getting older, and I've always taken care of my body. I've always been in the gym, but every time I would look in the mirror, I wasn't happy with what I saw in the mirror as I was getting older. And it started to affect my confidence. I didn't feel confident in myself, and I also felt like it was affecting my self-esteem negatively. So after talking with my husband, we came to the decision that we were going to go through with this. I decided that this is definitely something that was going to benefit me, not just physically, but also mentally as well. It has definitely boosted my confidence. I have no regrets whatsoever about getting the procedure done, and I've been extremely happy with Dr. Amaka and her entire staff. After looking at her website, I saw the results of her other patients. I was very confident. I had no worries that my results were going to be just as good as what I was seeing on the website. And I actually think they've turned out better than I ever expected. So at my pre-op appointments, she explained in detail everything that was going to happen in the surgery itself, everything that I needed to do to prep for the surgery beforehand, and also what to expect afterwards. And one thing that I was very happy with is the concierge service. The nurse came to visit me in the hotel room. She made sure that I knew how to change my bandages, how to clean everything that I needed to do to take care of myself after I went home the next day. One of the things that's always concerned me about having any sort of procedure done is obviously anesthesia. I have to rave about the anesthesiologist. He made me feel safe. I've always worried about being put under, and after talking to Dr. Amaka, talking to the nurses, and talking to the anesthesiologist, I had no fear whatsoever. I knew I was in very good hands. I did get detailed instructions to take home with me for both pre and post-op care. Whenever I've had any questions, they were always very quick to either answer the phone immediately or were very quick to get back with me. I've been very happy with my post-op care. This surgery has made me completely change the way that I was feeling about myself. I've always been a really confident person. It's that confidence that's allowed me to do the things that I've always wanted to do. So having that confidence back, I feel like I have more energy. I have my youth back. I feel happier. I'm definitely happier. Yeah, I do joke about it being the best selfish decision that I ever made, because it is kind of a selfish decision to do something aesthetically to your body. But at the same time, because it brought my confidence back and because it made me happier, that spills over into other areas of my life. And it just, I am just ecstatic with my results, and I have zero regrets about the procedures I had done. I feel like a kid again. When I look in the mirror, that's the first thing that I see every morning, and it sets the tone for the rest of my day. I'll be turning 53 in 2 weeks, and I feel like 23 again. Yeah. If you're even just thinking about having a procedure done, come talk to Dr. Amaka. Don't hesitate to have it done. And it wasn't something that I personally felt like I needed to hide. It was something that I was doing for myself. All I wanted was to just see that young lady's face again. That's what I was losing, was that the girl that I knew. And I wasn't hesitant to let people know what I was doing, friends and family. I posted my procedure on Facebook. I posted my pre-care and my aftercare. It's not something that I felt the need to hide. It's something that I'm happy with. There's always been a stigma with plastic surgery, which I think is a little silly, because if it's something that makes you so much more confident and so much happier with your life, you shouldn't hesitate to do it. Whether somebody keeps it to themselves or not, that's personal preference. But for me, I felt like I wanted to share it with other women, because I think there are a lot of women out there who want to have procedures done, and they're either scared to have it done, they're scared of the results, or they're just scared of the stigma that still surrounds it. So don't hesitate, even if you just come in for a consultation just to learn about it.